So, on January 1st, 1923, which happens to be 100 years ago, the Railway Grouping Act took effect, made the Big Four. Now, this is not relevant to this, but, I need a background. So, the Railway Grouping Act made 4 big companies: the LNER, the LMS, the GWR, and the SR, which, if you ever see LBSC, because ever since Thomas came out, everyone likes that one. Sync SR. LBSC is part of SR. The LIR James is the LMS. Pug and Genty, they're LMS. But in the book, they're BR, because that happened in 1949. But that's besides the point. Have the GWR, the LMS, LNER, and the SR. The SR made stuff, beautiful things such as the Battle of Britain class. And that's what the new yellow character in Thomas's. The LNER made stuff like the A1, later to be upgraded to the A3. That's your Gordon and Flying Scotsman. Also made Atlantic, which is what Henry was supposed to be. Instead, they messed Henry up. And then, also the LMS made the Black 5, which is what new shape Henry is. So the SR also made, they didn't make the E2, they just kind of inherited the E2. And then, the LMS, you also got your Pugs, both Pugs, Caledonian and the other one that I like, the Quest 21 Pug. You got your Genty, Henry, what else? The weird ending, and the one where Thomas meets the Queen, the newer one. Yeah, that's LMS.